welcome back to Wolf Quest 3, where we are here with Shadow. So we're here with Shadow and all of his pups who are howling right now. Twilight, you have turned out to be quite the adventurer, and look how big it is compared to her. Midnight. What are they doing? That's so cute. I think they're playing with bones. So last time we got to the summer hunting grounds, and now we're just waiting for them to grow up. We have all the food we could possibly want. Yeah, and you know, we're good. So we are gonna call it in because they are wandering a bit far. Come on now. That includes you, buddy. And also, guys, actually, super important. Last time, Mars, who you can see is still kind of hurt. Mars got better. So Mars is better. Dawn, come on. So Mars got better, and hurry it up now, Dawn. And so things are going really well. Let me just make sure. Okay, good. Everyone's in the den. Okay. What's this actually? Okay, so all we need to do is get the pups to 20 pounds, and we're doing a great job. Of course, we're just waiting for Twilight. But we're gonna go south. Sorry, you can guard the carcass. Yeah, so I actually did get us back to the pups. Don't worry, guys. It's not like you missed anything. But what's this taking a drink do? Never actually like taken a drink. I think it restores stamina, but I don't know. Yeah, so we're just gonna go south, mark some territory. Yeah. Let's actually go like southeast. Wait, yeah. And maybe we'll be able to find some prey along the way. Yeah, so I got us back to the hello bus. Let's just try biting one. Or not. Cause I see a mama. Are you mom? Okay, guys, we're gonna start looking. We're still by, but I think. Oh, there. We got her. Sweet. So we got yet another fawn, as you guys can see, and that's great. Alright, so now we just need to go east. Oh, this little stream is so cute. Oh, wait, we can jump? I just realized that. That's actually really fun. So we're gonna head east. We should be there soon. And this is great because we have even more food to carry back to our pups. Actually, okay, good. I was just checking our markers because, you know, I was just thinking about that. So let's just go east. Yeah, because we have been letting our territory get down a bit. Is that okay? Okay, I think those are coyotes. Alright. And now I think we're gonna let that territory go. We're gonna go just a little bit south, and we should go into the other territory. Yep. Because we do need to keep our territory strong. You know what? I think that's good for now. Let's head back to the rendezvous site. I've been struggling to call it but I've been calling it the den because we've been at the den for so long, but really now we're not. We're just waiting for twilight, mostly twilight. Midnight's fine. Midnight's our big girl. Yeah, so let's go back because we can't go back super fast with this, but we should be plenty fine with whee! Oh, that was actually really cool. With this fawn. Ooh, can we jump? I like jumping now that I found out. Alright, and there are the pups. Alright, so let's get back. They have plenty of carcasses. We have a full elk carcass and 2 little ones, so. Alright, you guys can come out. How much does this one have left? Sweet, this one has so much. We're actually going to take from this. Seems like some of the pups, they're choosing like different types of meat. Mars digging Midnight. We're actually gonna move this one a little closer. Oh, didn't mean to move Midnight, but that works too. Hold on, son. Alright, yeah, we're just gonna move this a little bit closer. Yeah, so it seems a lot of them like fresh elk meat. Midnight, where are you going now? It's always an adventure with you, Midnight, isn't it? And now Saturn's joining the party. Bro, can you not? Yeah. Midnight, do you want to eat? Alright. Fog is setting in. And what is that? What is this? Oh, it's just a rock. Yes, actually I do. It thought I was going away, but might as well send them back. Everyone's full. Saturn, come on, buddy. And affinity is plenty high. Midnight. Do I have to call each individual one? Come on, you gotta listen to your dad now. And guys, I can't wait to see what they look like. Once we finish this quest and they're all grown up, because you know that is coming very soon. Once we raise all of them to 20 pounds, then you know, then boom, they'll be there. And I can't believe it's getting so close. Our little pups, their bodies already changed. Like, they have longer legs, they're bigger. Get in. In. No, in. Get in. Saturn, get in. Twilight in. Is everyone in? Hold on. Oh no, jump. Yeah. Oh no, jump. I think this is kind of like, I can't actually see right now. Oh, get away. Is everyone in? Wait. Okay, good. Everyone's hidden. Oh, get away. And guys, I can't tell which pack this is right now. Let's cross-breed like I told you guys. So, wait, what's this? 3 male, okay. And we'll look at the other one's scent later. But this 3 male, oh yeah, he's going down. So it was actually the alpha attacked us last time the peak attacked. Yeah. Oh yeah. Shadow's willing to kill now. This is it for this wolf. Wow, we were going like up and down the street. Yeah, but we'll check that other one's scent, because if we kill the alpha female, then, you know, this isn't a pack anymore. We're gonna have to rename the pack. Oh, there. Let's actually check the scent right now. 3 male and 2 male. So the 2 male would be good to kill, but we're killing the 3 male right now, which probably means that that one's like his dad. But yeah, we're gonna kill him, guys. Okay, guys, so under the stormy night, we just killed a wolf because he threatened our pups. And I know, like, wow, I can't believe we actually did it. I never thought that, like, you know, I would kill another wolf, but they've threatened us one too many times. We'll let the other one go, but Mist, get in. Mist. Guys, oh no, they're all scared now. Is it the thunder? Dawn, are you hidden? And we're gonna sleep this thunderstorm out. But guys, I can't believe we just killed a wolf. Like, that's hardcore. I never thought we would ever do that, but we just did. So let's actually check the pup's progress. And whoa, hold on. Alright, yeah, so they're mad. So, midnight is almost there. Twilight still needs a lot, but let's call her now. Actually, you know what? Stan. I want to go check on the carcass. I want to see if it's still there. I missed. Alright, everyone's in except for Mist. Mist, come on. Okay, so we're gonna go check regurgitating for the slave. Is the carcass still there? I don't know if it's still there. Oh, I think I see it. Yep, it's still there. Oh, it just sunk away, but I can't believe we killed the wolf, guys. I never thought we would kill another wolf, but you know, for Shadow, they threatened his pups too much. They kicked him out, even though he believed that, you know, they were good. He tried to find good in them, and he couldn't. So he killed a member. And I think that will stick with Shadow's pups forever. I think, you know what, Crevice, or what we were calling Bloodblight, that's nothing to him anymore. Prospect Peak is the evil one. Come on guys, come eat. There's like a bunch of things for you guys to eat. There's, well, I guess there's just this, but come eat this. Okay, good, now they're all coming over. And let's howl. Because, yeah, you messed with the wrong guy. One of them howls. I don't like that, and I really don't like that. Alright. I don't think that'll do any harm to us, but... Alright, let's cut them out again. I like how they're all in the same grass. Alright, yeah guys, eat up! Because we're trying to grow you guys big and strong. Ah, Twilight. Well, at least she's eating. Oh, Miss is full. Yeah, so... I still cannot get over the fact that I started to scare them all away. That we just killed another wolf on a dark, stormy night. Oh, Twilight. Midnight. Wow, everyone's hungry. Come on, guys. You don't like the taste of fresh meat anymore, or what? And midnight. Now midnight's eating. And otherwise, everyone's pretty full. Yeah, we're just waiting for midnight to eat. Then we can rest again. So, I think we're gonna end there. So, please like and subscribe if you can, and join us as we continue with Shadow and try to grow his pups up all the way. We're almost there. Nature Wolf. Oh, that was so cute. Nature Wolf out.